So we have early childhood abuses such as physical abuse, emotional abuse, and sexual abuse. There may well be abuse in terms of people with physical disability or physical illness. We know, for instance, that individuals who have a physical or mental disability are at greater risk of abuse, especially sexual abuse, because it's often harder for them to disclose their experiences. And they may also be stigmatized as a group of individuals in various culture. Mental illness can also lead to quite stressful early experiences, and it works on two levels. The mental health of the parent who's parenting may make it harder for them to appropriately parent their children. The mental illness might be so consuming that they're not able to be aware of the child's needs and certainly not be able to meet the child's needs.